Welcome to Easy Electra. In this video, we'll design the control diagram for a direct online DOL starter using AutoCAD Electrical step by step. Let's get Step 1. Understanding the control circuit. The DOL starter control circuit is responsible for managing the operation of the motor using push buttons, a contactor, and an overload relay. This control ensures that the motor starts and stops safely. Step 2. Setting up AutoCAD Electrical. Open AutoCAD Electrical and create a new project. Set up the title block and select the correct schematic template. Open a new schematic drawing for the control circuit. Step 3. Adding components. Now, let's insert the essential control components. Start push button normally open, no stop push button normally close, NC contactor coil overload relay holding contact. Step 4. Wiring the control circuit. Let's connect the components step by step. Connect the stop button NC to the phase line. Wire the start button No in parallel with the holding contact. Connect the output of the start button to the contactor coil, a 1 terminal. Wire the other end of the contactor coil to neutral, a 2 terminal. Add the overload relay normally closed NC contact in series with the stop button. This setup ensures that when you press start, the motor runs, and when you press stop, the motor turns off. Step: adding labels and numbering. Use the text tool to label all the components clearly. Number the wires and connections for easy troubleshooting. Verify all connections before finalizing the design. Step 6. Saving and exporting. Once the diagram is complete, save the project in DWG format. Export a PDF version for documentation. Review the design to ensure accuracy. And that's it! You have successfully created a DOL starter control diagram in AutoCAD Electrical. If you found this tutorial helpful, hit the like button, subscribe to Easy Electra, and turn on notifications for more electrical design tutorials. Thanks for watching, and see you in the next video.